Hi, I'm Lucy from All in the Gang. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Howlin Mat from our pet collection. Our pattern is made in association with the Wild at Heart Foundation, who are a charity that fund animal welfare projects around the world. You will need 2 rolls of mixed tape yarn. I'm going to be using jog grey, 1 8mm crochet hook and a knitter sewing needle. The Howlin Mat is made by combining single crochet, double crochet, increases and decreases. Let's get started. To start your project, you will make a foundation chain. First, make a slip knot and place on your hook. Wrap your yarn around your hook and pull through to make your first chain stitch. Repeat this 18 times to make your foundation chain. So wrap your yarn around, pull through, wrap your yarn around, pull through. That's 3, 4. Now you have 18 stitches on your foundation chain. For the next step, you will work around your foundation chain. Make a chain stitch. This will be your turning chain. Single crochet by inserting your needle into the second stitch from your hook. 1, 2. Wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through. You've now got 2 loops on your hook. Wrap your yarn again and pull through both. That's your first single crochet. We're going to repeat this 16 more times. So insert your hook into the next stitch, wrap your yarn around, pull through, wrap your yarn around, pull through. One more time, insert your hook, wrap your yarn around, and then pull through both stitches. You've now made 17 single crochet stitches. You've got 1 stitch of your foundation chain left, and we're going to make 3 single crochet stitches into this 1 stitch. So insert your needle, 1 crochet, insert again, 2, 3. You will now work along the opposite edge of your foundation chain. Rotate your piece 180 degrees so that the stitches you just worked are at the bottom of the piece and your crochet hook is at the bottom right hand corner. We're now going to work along this edge of the foundation chain. Skip your first stitch and insert your hook into this one. Make a single crochet and do this 16 times along this edge. And now we're going to make 2 single crochet stitches into the last stitch on your foundation chain. And then insert again to make your second stitch. And that's how you work your first round. Next, we will work in the round, increasing at each corner. We're going to single crochet 3 times into the first stitch. This is your first corner. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to work single crochet stitches in the next 16 stitches. And then we'll work 3 single crochet stitches into this stitch. Single crochet 1. And then single crochet 3 into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet 16 stitches. Single crochet 3 into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet 1 more stitch. You will now continue to work in the round, increasing at the corners until you have 102 stitches in your round. On the next step, we're going to work in double crochet at each corner to make this bone shape. So we'll start by single crocheting 8 stitches. We're then going to work a combination of single crochet and double crochet into this stitch. So first, we'll single crochet 1, and then we're going to double crochet 3 stitches. To double crochet, you first wrap your yarn around your hook, then insert it into the stitch, wrap around and pull through. You've got 3 stitches now on your hook. Going to wrap your yarn and pull through these first 2, then wrap around and pull through. And repeat this 2 more times. And then we'll do 1 more single crochet into this stitch. And as you can see how that's increasing at the corner. Next, we're going to single crochet 32 stitches along here. Now we're going to work again into this corner. So we do 1 single crochet, and then we're going to do 3 double crochet to wrap your yarn around, insert into the stitch, wrap your yarn, pull through the first 2 stitches, wrap your yarn again, pull through those 2. That's your second double crochet. And then 1 more single crochet. And you're going to single crochet 17 more stitches. We're going to now work into this corner. Single crochet 1, double crochet 1, 2, and then single crochet 1. Next, we're going to single crochet 32 stitches along here. And then we're going to work into the last corner. Single crochet 1, double crochet 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet 1. And then we can work 9 single crochet stitches to finish your round. And that's that round complete. We will now add in some single crochet decreases into each corner. First, single crochet 6 stitches. Now we will make our decrease. Insert your hook into the stitch as if to make a single crochet. You now have 2 stitches on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch as if to make a single crochet. You now have 3 stitches on your hook. Wrap your yarn and pull through all 3 stitches. You've now made your first decrease. We are now going to double crochet into this stitch 2 times. Now I'm going to repeat this another 4 more times. And then 1 more time, double crochet twice into the stitch. Continue in this way on each corner of your round. Once you have completed this round, follow the pattern up to step 17. Now you have finished all of your rounds, your mat will look something like this. To finish, you must cut your yarn. You simply pull on the loop on your crochet hook until the end pops through. So now we're going to weave in our loose end. If you take your knitter's sewing needle, spread the yarn through, turn it over to the wrong side, and we want to disguise this yarn in the bumps here. So just find a little bit there, thread through. And it's best to come back on yourself like this. So you just want to weave in a couple of centimeters so that it's hidden. And that's how you make your howlin mat. So after following all those steps, your howlin mat should look something like this, ready for all your furry friends to play with. Thanks for watching, bye!